This will be a speed test between the Google Pixel 3 XL versus the iPhone 10 or the iPhone X, whatever you want to call this phone. Now the Pixel 3, this one has the Snapdragon 845 and 4 gigs of RAM. iPhone 10 has the A11 Bionic chip from last year, 3 gigs of RAM, iOS 12.0.1 as of this video on this phone. Pixel 3 has Android 9 Pie. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has that faster boot up. Let's go. Give the boot up win to the Pixel. And we are in! Go on the settings of the Pixel, go to battery, and turn off the adaptive battery on this phone. This might mess with the multitasking ability of this device, so I turned it off, take it out of the equation. Nothing open in the background on the iPhone, and I'm gonna clear this on the Pixel, so you can see. So let's get started with the messages. Tie. Camera on both. Faster on the iPhone. Clock. Start the stopwatch. Leave that in the background. Chrome and Safari. Let's go. Search for GSM Arena on this. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. And give this to the Pixel 3. Scroll through this and go to the desktop version. Go. Looking at the progress bar again. And a little bit faster on the left. Pinch to zoom on both. Nice and buttery fast. Leave it on that page. Calculator on both. Another tie. Play Store and App Store. And give this to the Pixel. Search for Lift on this. And leave it on this page. Amazon Shopping. About the same. Click on these mowers and leave it on this page. eBay on both. And give this to the Pixel. Click on this New Balance shoe. Leave it on this page. Super Mario Run. Loading on the Pixel 3 XL. Will the iPhone 10 catch up? And give this to the Pixel 3. Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the iPhone 10 though, actually running this game. And leave it in the background. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Spirit's Cove. Looks like the Pixel 3 is out in front. We'll confirm that right now. And Pixel 3 XL faster than the iPhone 10. Tap to play and leave this in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers New Orleans. Loading on the Pixel 3, but the iPhone 10 is faster. Tap to play and leave this in the background. PUBG. Looks like the iPhone 10 is ahead. And give this to the iPhone 10. As you can see. Grand Theft Auto. Let's go. Pixel 3 XL way ahead. Here goes the iPhone 10. Give this to the Pixel. Snapchat. Pixel 3 on this one. Take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see, starting with Grand Theft Auto. Good to go on both. PUBG. And looks like the Pixel is reloading this already. Subway Surf. And Pixel is reloading this. Temple Run 2. Good to go on the iPhone 10. Pixel's reloading this one. Mario Run. Good to go on the right. eBay. A little bit faster on the iPhone. Amazon. A little bit faster on the iPhone. And what is Pixel doing? Is it gonna reload this page or what? Well, I don't know. Play Store and App Store, same place. Calculator, same place. Browsing, same web page. Clock on both, still running the stopwatch. The camera, you guys are the judges. And the Messages app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you hashtag Team Pixel rocking the Pixel 3 XL or the Pixel 2 from last year, or the original Pixel, or even a Nexus 6P? These phones are on the latest version of Android, latest security patch, and arguably the best camera on a smartphone. Or are you an Apple iSheep rocking an iPhone 10 or the new iPhone XS, iPhone 8, iPhone 7? Are you looking forward to the upcoming iPhone XR? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.